Hi, my name is Robbie, and today we'll be talking about photosynthesis, what it is, what it does, and why it's important. Photosynthesis generally is a process that green plants use to capture energy from the sun and convert it into food. Some bacteria and protists also use photosynthesis, but we won't be talking about them today. Besides energy from the sun, there are a number of other things plants need in order to perform photosynthesis. These things include water, carbon dioxide, and nutrients. Using the process of photosynthesis, plants can use these components and create sugars which act as food for the plant. Photosynthesis can be modeled using the following chemical equation. Carbon dioxide, water, and solar energy are photosynthesized by the plant in order to produce glucose and oxygen. This is why the forests and plants all around the earth are so important. They produce the oxygen that we breathe every day. Glucose is just another name for a simple sugar molecule. Now that we know what photosynthesis does, where and how does it take place? Well, like all other living organisms, plants are made up of hundreds of thousands of tiny little cells. And within these cells, we have organelles. If you haven't learned about cell structure and cellular organelles, check out the Task channel for a more informative video. The leaves of a green plant contain special cells, which contain an organelle called the chloroplast. The chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis. In a way, you can think about it like a factory. The chloroplast takes a bunch of parts and puts them together to create a final product. But if we know photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast, how do we get all the parts there? Plants actually use different methods to capture sunlight, water, and nutrients. Plants use their roots that are embedded in the soil in order to bring water and nutrients up the stem and to the leaves. Within chloroplasts, there's a special molecule called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a pigment that absorbs wavelengths that are red and blue. This is why most plants that use photosynthesis look green. Red and blue wavelengths of light are absorbed by chlorophyll, while green wavelengths are reflected back. The green wavelengths are the only wavelengths that you see, giving plants their green color. But in order for photosynthesis to begin, one last thing is missing: carbon dioxide. To absorb carbon dioxide, plants have structures on their leaves called stomata. Stomata are like tiny holes on the surface of the leaves, which absorb carbon dioxide. These stomata can open and close, allowing the plant to control how much carbon dioxide is absorbed. With all the necessary components ready, the plant can perform photosynthesis in two stages. During stage 1, light is captured by chlorophyll within the chloroplast. Additionally, water molecules are split and oxygen gas is released. During stage 2, a number of chemical reactions take place to change carbon dioxide and water into glucose. The resulting glucose can be used as food, converted to more complex compounds, or stored for future use. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos on the Task YouTube channel.